Hello everyone, welcome to phonics class for kinder A, B, C, and D. The letter of the week is the letter J. Uppercase J, lowercase j. The sound of the letter J is J, J. Now we're going to review the vocabulary of some words that begins with letter J. Jam, jam, jelly, jelly, juice, juice, jet, jet, jump, jump, yard, yard, jaguar, jaguar, juggle, juggle, jug, jug, jumprope, jumprope, judge, judge, jacket, jacket. Okay, now for Wednesday, we work on phonics book. Open your phonics book on page 117. Write your name on the line, first name and your last name. Then you're going to trace the first two uppercase J, look, and then you're going to print your own uppercase J in the first row. In the second row, you're going to trace the first two lowercase j, and then you're going to print your own lowercase j. Jelly begins with letter J, jelly. In the second part, we're going to say the name of the picture. If the picture name begins with the sound of letter J, we are going to color the picture. Are you ready? For example, jump rope. Jump rope. Begins with letter J? Yes. Color the jump rope. Jug. Jug. Jug begins with letter J? Yes. Color the jug. The next one is cap. Cap. Cap begins with letter J? No, done colored. Second row, judge. Judge. Judge begins with letter J? Yes, color the judge. The next one is jet. Jet begins with letter J? Yes, color the jet. And the last picture is mask. Mask begins with letter J? No, don't color. Okay, now we're going to do the page that we did on Thursday. In this day, we also review the vocabulary words that begins with letter J. Review the vocabulary words and then work on the phonics book. Yellow book, page 118. Print the letters J at the beginning of each row and say the name of each picture. Circle the picture if its name begins with letter J. We have the uppercase J and the lowercase j. We're going to identify in each row what picture begins with letter J. For example, jug. Jug begins with letter J? Yes. Traced and circle. Leaf? No. Kin? No. The next one is ball, pot, juggle. Juggle begins with letter J? Yes. Print the uppercase and the lowercase j. Juggle. The third row, web, begins with letter W. Don't do anything. Jam. Jam begins with letter J. Yes. Circle the jam and prints the letters J. Uppercase, lowercase. Sun begins with letter J? No, it begins with letter S. Fourth row, jet. Jet begins with letter J? Yes. Circle the jet. Map? No. Begins with letter M. Hat? No. Begins with letter H. Print the uppercase J and the lowercase j. The last row is tuba. Tuba begins with letter J? No, it begins with letter T. Jack. Jack. Jack begins with letter J? Yes, circle Jack. And barn. Barn begins with letter J? No, it begins with letter V. and then prints the uppercase and the lowercase j. This is the page that we did on Thursday. This is everything for this week, and we are continue working with the next letter Q, for the next week. Bye, guys.